Hey guys!
Hi.
Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I am Shake. This is Sassy Shan and Auntie Rita.
Yay.
So today is Ashpan's Day and it's also whose birthday?
Daddy's
birthday! So yes, just bringing you guys along.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Put your hand
Do.
Don't waste it. Just taste it. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Bring the water. Happy birthday. Later, me show now when me are flower.
Yes, so since we needed him to go to church, so we never flower him yet. So tomorrow, later on, we'll go flower him, you know? So yes, we're going to church right now. Sun hot, but we're going to go to church right now. So I'm just taking you guys along, and then whatever happens later, we'll show you guys. So,
Okay.
bye!
One from her. Thank you very much.
Good morning, guys. So it is, what is today? It's Thursday. It's the day after I started this vlog. So as I was saying, it's the day after I started the vlog. I need to take a seat and put you guys down. So, I'm awake. I was supposed to go to work this morning, guys. But coughed down the entire night. I think I have a sinus infection, so my throat has been bad. So tell you guys the issue. I have allergies, right? And sinus allergy, whatever you call it. And I take this tablet, but the thing is, this is the tablet that has been making my lips swell, so I stopped. Not this phone disturbing me. I stopped taking it, and because of the, what do you call those, the Lysols and so on with them use, I was exposed to a lot of that Sunday, I think. So it's like it's infected me, because that it happened before. So I was having, so it's been draining and all of that, and just hard. And right now I just think I need to go to the doctor, so I'm gonna try and see if I can get office. I was trying a while ago, but I didn't get them, so I'm going to the doctor. So yeah, let's get this date on. Right now I not even feel like I would even go to the doctor. I'm so tired. I didn't even get to film a lot yesterday. I was just enjoying church yesterday, so I did not film anything. When we came back, I just started to cook. In the morning before we went to church, I got up and I baked, and they started the cooking and all of that. And in the evening, when I came back, I just started the casserole. So I can show you guys that in a second, like the casserole. Probably I'll show you that later on when I'm eating the rest of it. And then the cake, my father loved the fruit cake that we always make for Christmas, so that's the one I made yesterday. So yes, so yeah, that's what's going on. Sorry, I've been even a video I've had to edit like forever ago, and I forgot. Well, not forgot, I haven't gotten time. And I want to see how that's gonna go today. Hopefully I'm gonna charge my phone, and like while I'm waiting in the doctor's office, I will just edit. So I'm gonna get ready because I want to go early. I'm gonna try and call back the place because they're not answering. They open at 7, I think, and I need to reach up there. So yeah, let's get this day on. want me to use the stove, people. Oh no, you don't want me to use the stove, Mom.
Clean my stove.
And me first using it. Alright guys, so I am back home from the doctor. I got a new pill. Yeah, get one new pill. It's called Allegra or something like that. And I'm a lover of grapefruits, and this tablet says I can't eat a grapefruity. And I also have an ear thing, like ear infection. So I was given this Triben. So I'm supposed to put it in my ear like 3 times for a day. So yes, hopefully this will make things better and I can sleep well tonight, because I have not slept properly in like 3 days because of this sinus. So I'm gonna see if I can get some things done. I have some SBS to start looking at, so I want to do that today and so on. So yes, yeah, see you guys in a few. I might do some washing first. I'm not sure if I can manage, but I might do some washing right now and then get those SPs marked. And I might need to get some sleep. I don't know if I'm gonna get some sleep, but yeah. Anyways guys, see you guys later. Yeah. Alright guys, so I totally forgot to end this vlog, so I'm just ending it right here. Didn't do much after, I think. I don't even know. This is Sunday and I wanted to like finish editing the vlog because I was editing it, so I'm gonna edit and upload it. So yes, thanks guys for watching this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Go ahead, hit that subscribe button, click the bell, like this video, share, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.